time for some magic. Abracadabra. Ooh. Hello kiddos. Today we are going to learn how to draw some fruits. So let's get started. We are going to draw a banana, grapes, an orange, an apple, kiwi, and mango. Oops! See the apple! Wow! Now let's color them. For banana, it's dark yellow color. For grapes, it's purple color. For orange, it's orange color. Okay, now it's time for some magic. Abracadabra, it's magic.
Wow!
Let's color the apple now. It's red. And very fast we are going to color the kiwi and the mango. Kiwi is green and mango is yellow. Again it's time for some magic. Abracadabra. Ooh. Okay, so which fruit do you like the most in these 6 fruits? I love mango the most. And now you know how to color them. Okay, so let's meet in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and be happy. Bye.